Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Commander TDS. We'll begin by exploring the main dashboard, showing you where to find essential tools and settings. Then, we'll dive into setting up your initial preferences, ensuring the system is tailored to your specific needs right from the start. This guide aims to make your experience smooth and productive, covering everything from basic navigation to more advanced operations. Now, let's get Commander TDS set up for optimal performance. First, you'll want to establish user accounts and assign appropriate access levels, ensuring data security. Next, we'll walk through integrating any external systems or databases you use, creating a unified workflow. Finally, customize your dashboard with the most relevant information, making your daily overview clear and actionable. For your daily operations, Commander TDS streamlines many tasks. You can easily process transactions, ensuring accuracy and speed. Generating detailed financial reports is straightforward, providing insights into your business performance. We'll also cover how to manage your inventory effectively, keeping track of stock levels and movements. This helps maintain efficiency and reduces manual effort significantly. To truly master Commander TDS, let's look at some advanced features and helpful tips. Explore the powerful search and filtering options to quickly find specific data points. Learn to set up automated tasks, saving you hours on repetitive work. We'll also discuss how to configure custom alerts for important events, keeping you informed. Remember to regularly back up your data for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.